what you want. If you're a foot, if you're a pedestrian, right? Lord is my shepherd. Now which way? Look at all this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Everything is going on without an issue. The sounds is to say that I'm here. Even the little motorbikes are crossing and running through. They're just making themselves heard on this very busy section of the Madras. I don't know, you call it intercity, not intercity, a more in town road network. If you got the vision and if you haven't got enough clarity, you might come stuck. And if you try to walk with confidence, you might get your legs under one of these bars, under one of these wheels. Oh, there we go. And everything that is going on here has a real relevance. I mean, those motorbikes are sort of whizzing through between a narrow gap of cars, and look at all this. Whoa, that guy is reversing, and I'm seeing some friends of mine. How are you, gentlemen? Come along here. Is that a dodgy spot? Oh, dodgy spot is me. They're avoiding it. Now, what's going on here? This is fascinating. I tell you, it's easy. It is absolutely fascinating nation. Every single one of these human beings are accepted to face these conditions that they themselves did not ask for. It's amazing to watch the motorbikes just crisscrossing like, I don't know, like snakes. You don't know which direction they're going, but they all know exactly where they're going. They're all very clear about their position. And I don't know, what do I do with this dog? What do I do with the doggy? Poor doggy on the pavement. The dog also knows. He's aware of this. He's really conscious about the noise, the sound, the air, the mood. And thank you. Long duty, long hours, huh? Thank you. There you go. It's a lot of things going on. All we need to do is, I tell you, there's a strong wind, right? And folks, and one thing to remind yourself of is that this pavement, you'll be walking along, suddenly if you don't pay attention, you'll be kissing the floor like that. And it won't be a nice sight either, because there's all sorts of things on the pavement. They've just, because they have planned to do this road and the pavement, they just did it. But there's so many other obstacles were in its path. What do? You do this, you do this, you do that, you do this to avoid it. So now you end up with all of this. When I say all of this is nothing. The wires, cables, you're going to be trapped and strapped. And yes, of course, people watching this, if they ever watch this idiot on a sidewalk here in Chennai, have a look at this, the rubbish. This is no new to me. This is what you will find in England as well. It is becoming just like this. Or any other city for that matter.